Welcome to my 2025 home reset. We are going to be doing a whole apartment organization, deep clean, and refresh in this video. Some years I want to keep my Christmas decor up for as long as possible. Other years I'm like, all right, it's time to move on. It's time to get going. And this year I'm definitely in that let's move forward mindset. And so in this video, we're going to be taking down my Christmas decor, deep cleaning my apartment, and doing a little bit of organization plus a refresh. I want to move some things around in my bedroom. I want to get new art prints for my wall and just find little ways that aren't super expensive, but just like little things to get here and there that are going to refresh my apartment and make it feel really great for the new year. This is the first vlog style video in my Dream and Design 2025 series, so I'm excited to finally use my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, my new camera, in like a vlog sense. So it's definitely gonna be some new camera angles and things happening in this video. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you like it, but if you don't like a certain thing, feel free to let me know because it's really helpful to know if you guys are gonna like this camera for vlogging, because that's really what it's made for. So also, if you haven't watched any of my other videos in my Dream and Design 2025 series, I'm gonna have the playlist below. But it is January 2nd. It is finally so sunny out. Thank God, I was like feeling really down yesterday because it was just so gray and cloudy. And I'm like, oh, the holidays are over. I gotta get back to work. But this morning I woke up feeling so good and motivated. The sun is shining, getting back to work, getting my apartment in order. But first, I'm actually gonna take you back to a few clips I did film yesterday where I started taking down my Christmas decor. And now I can kind of finish that up and reorganize my apartment. Like I said, we got to go to Walgreens, pick up those new prints and stuff, and maybe run to Target and get some things there too. So this vlog is going to be over the course of a few different days. I feel like for how much I want to clean and do in my apartment, I need a few days. Can't just do it all in one day, but yeah, hope this gives you some motivation to do the same to your space. Just absolutely loving and feeling so cozy, but also clean in the space that you've curated for yourself. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video and go back to yesterday. Okay, so I am going to start by putting away my Christmas tree and just gathering up my Christmas decor. Also, I'm filming this on my brand new, these clips at least, on my brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it has dynamic tracking. So it's gonna follow me as I clean my apartment, which I think is gonna be really cool for this type of video. We'll see how it is. Let me know your thoughts. Hopefully it looks good. Let's see how this active track works. This is here on the couch.
That works for me, like I said, with personally find success in other ways and find joy in other things. I had to do other things that can go completely different. Trying my best to take accountability. I'm gonna, work on the things that I am passionate about and like try a real idea. And I think that is a big part of my improvement is surrendering to it or what is going to happen for other people, even if that needs to happen and then it needs to be having things. I'm just gonna understand that things might not work out the way that I in my brain want them right now. But yeah, whatever that looks like, I can do it. Like I have no choice but to get through it. And you're dead, and those are probably gonna be the most rewarding. The hardest and it's gonna affect you for the rest of your life, but going to at least get through it. Because that is
I got some new books for Christmas. Actually, they're just the physical copies of some of my favorite books that I've read in previous years that I just never owned. I'm gonna do the whole Bridgerton collection in this like collector's colorful edition, but I got books 1 and 2, so beautiful. And then I got the 2 books that I was missing in my ACOTAR collection. I am currently lending out the first book, so I don't have it on my shelf here, but I have the rest now. My bookshelf is looking a little bit messy, and so I also just wanted to tidy this up, and so that's what we're gonna do next. I will link this bookshelf below. It is a favorite amongst many people. It's from Container Store and I absolutely love it. It makes it look like the books are floating. Looks really great from the front and from the side. So yeah, let's tidy up the bookshelf. here is what I have. I need to straighten some of these still. I just like to flip the camera around. We don't have a ton of rhyme or reason. We just have like some random books up top. King of Thrones, going into romance, holiday romance, Bridgerton, still like historical fiction romance, Bridgerton, Sarah J. Maas, put in with Reckless, and then my nonfiction down there at the bottom. So here's how the bookshelf is looking right now. I think it is looking good. It's looking a lot cleaner. So happy about that. Progress over here. I've gathered all my Christmas stuff from the apartment, and we are going to box it up and put it away in my closet so that it's looking fresh, and then I'll just have to figure out when I can take the tree down. This living room feels so empty. I took down all my little Christmas stuff and I just put up these two little tapered candles, which I think are so cute. And so it looks very empty, but it looks very clean, which I'm loving. And now I just need to officially do the last thing, move this tree out of the way. And I think I'm gonna move that chair back over here. Okay, so I have a load of laundry going, and now we are going to deep clean the fridge. So important to do. I feel like I do this every 4 to 6 months. And so I also share this fridge with my roommate. She is gone right now. She doesn't get back for a few days. So I'm just gonna be doing my shelves. So if you see me not cleaning every shelf, I don't know what she wants to throw away or not. So I'm just working on my shelves, but like all of these sauces and stuff that have been opened for too long, like they are getting tossed. We're gonna wipe down the shelves. Like it's gonna be a whole ordeal. Okay, so I'm gonna put on a podcast and we're gonna do this. So in my room, I have this little sitting area. I am changing out this print finally. I have this brown chair that I got from Target. I love it. It's actually like a huge chair. And I actually think I want to bring that into the living room. Let me show you the living room. Also, I moved my mirror from my bedroom into here. Also, I put my mirror here in the hallway, which I really like. I think this is good here. But let me show you guys. Still need to move the Christmas tree. So I'm gonna take this chair and move it into my bedroom and then move the brown chair out here because I actually feel like the brown chair will like warm and will add some warmth to this space. Don't mind Spruce over here. Oh, with his toy. Oh, big stretch, Sprucey. because I have a lot of white here and I feel like the brown chair will warm it up a bit. I've had it there before, so we're gonna try that. This one's also smaller and I'm getting a vanity, hopefully for my bedroom. I'm gonna have to rearrange some things probably to use it, because as you saw, we were running low on space in there, but I'm gonna move the chairs and then see how that looks. This is kind of heavy. So, as you can see, I can actually move my bed over, which is what I want to do because I'm going to be putting my vanity on that side of the bed. Let me even see if I like this chair here. I think it's cute still. I think it's still good. I think it's going to look a lot better once I get that frame changed into like that pretty print and like make my bed look better. Yeah, I think I like it. I think it's just going to take some getting used to. Once I get my vanity in, I think my vanity, I'm going to push my bed here. The vanity is going to go on this side and it's also going to be my nightstand. So that is the plan for when that comes in, but I think I'm happy with this. Okay, I just picked up my Walgreens prints. I love how they do it in one day. That's amazing. One day printing. I bought these off of Etsy this morning. They came in like a pack of, I don't even know, like 100. I don't know. There was a ton of vintage prints, all different sizes in this pack for like $8, just a digital download. It does cost more obviously to get them printed, even with a half off coupon. 4 prints was $50, and I'm a little worried because this coloring, it looks okay, but it's time for the moment of truth. Let's look at these prints. Okay, oh gosh, I hope these are the right size too. I always am so bad at the sizing. Okay, here's the first one. It's a little bit more warm toned than I was expecting, but it's just this pretty like marsh vintage photo. Definitely looks a little better. I think I like the coloring on this one more. It's kind of hard to see. I think I'm just looking at it too close and they're so big. Let me make sure here's our next print. Pretty. Okay, we'll see how I like these like on the wall. And then this is the one that's actually going to be for the living room here, which I think ties, oh my gosh. I think this ties in like the pinks and browns. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And I just wanted to slide them into my frames, but now I'm gonna have to cut them myself. At least they're too big rather than too small, but let's try this. This is like getting to the point in the home reno project. I'm not renovating, I'm literally just putting up new pictures, but it's just like when one little thing goes wrong and you're like, oh, now it feels like a lot of work, but that's okay. We're refreshing. These are gonna look so good once they're up. But I just have to make them fit now. First time using new camera in the car. Let's see. Wait, this actually looks good, I think. Okay, going outside of the home for a little bit, we are actually gonna run into Target. First off, just need like basic stuff, but for my home reset, I wanna maybe get like a new trash bin for my bathroom and maybe some new bath mats because mine have just been washed so many times and have gotten really gross. And so that is the plan. We are going to see what they have. I actually went to a Target that's not my normal Target. I haven't been to this one in a while because I feel like this one has better stuff sometimes, or it's like not as picked over. It's a little more outside the city. So yeah, we're gonna go in and see what we can find. So the only thing I ended up getting at Target was actually this new candle, because the candle I bought last January from, I guess, Threshold, I thought it was, yeah, Studio McGee, pretty much used it all up. So we have maybe one more hour maybe left of burn time on this, probably not. So I was like, okay, it's time to get a new candle, and this one is from Magnolia. It was the same price. It's a really huge candle, but it comes in like this nicer outer vase. It kind of reminds me of like a seashell, and it was also $30. So I burned it for the first time yesterday because I knew I was going to be home all day. So we burned it all the way down. It's just salt scented, so like a very clean scent that'll last me like the whole year, not just like a winter scent. So yeah, because these candles do normally last me a year. So just trimming the wick there, and I'm really happy with that purchase. I didn't like any of the bath mats or anything that they had at Target, so this was the only home item that I ended up buying. Okay, I actually really do like how this one turned out. This is one of the prints that I'm going to put right here in my little sitting area in my room. I think this one's really pretty. I like the colors, the vibes. We have the mountain, the flowers, the ocean, so I'm really happy with that. But I'm going to re-hang this up with my command strip. Okay, there we go. I'm really happy with it. I think the colors look really good here. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this home reset video here. There's still obviously more I could do, aka throw out this box. But for now, I feel like this was a good start to the new year, to revamping a few things in my home, to making it feel a little bit more fresh. I now actually really love my bedroom. Like, yeah, I'm really loving it. It's definitely some more things that I want to do. Like I said, I want to get a vanity and stuff in here, but for now, I feel like this was a good start, and I hope it gave you guys a little bit of inspiration to maybe do the same for your space. Clean out your fridge. I also didn't show this, but like I washed my makeup brushes and all of that stuff. So yeah, feeling good, and I just want to get this video up for you guys. So I'm gonna say bye for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.